Today in Zachary's 3D prints news and updates, BigTreeTech with 3 new screens, but also a 3D printer that can do more than just 3D printing. Stay tuned and get the latest information coming up on Zachary's 3D prints. Hello, this is Zachary from Zachary 3D Prints. On this channel you find everything you want to know about 3D printing, with tips, tricks, tutorials, how to, review, news and other things 3D printer related. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell for getting the notifications as soon as possible. And hey, thank you for watching this video. BigQ or BigTreeTech has added some new screens to their stock. The TFT43, the TFT50 and the TFT70. All are version 3s. These screens are large size. They have, just like the other screen, dual mode. So you can use the Marlin, but you can also use the touch screen mode. They have an ultra clear display for your 3D printer. So the TFT43 has a display area of 95 × 45 mm and has a resolution of 480 by 72. The TFT50 has a display area of 111 × 63 mm and it has the same resolution as the TFT43, so 480 by 272. And the TFT70 has a display area of 154 × 78 mm and has a resolution of 800 × 480. So as you notice, both screens, the TFT43 and the TFT50, have the same resolution. But the difference between the TFT43 and the TFT50 is that the backlight is a little bit different, because the TFT43 and the TFT50 are different in the backlights, because the TFT43 has only 7 LED lights and the TFT50 has 12 LED lights and the TFT70 has 21 backlights. Further, the TFT43 and the TFT50 have a main control chip of 32-bit with a frequency of 120 MHz. The TFT70 has also a 32-bit mainboard, but the main frequency has 168 MHz. And also firmware is upgraded. You can edit the G-code within a G-code editor interface on the screen. You also have a model preview, dual mode for Marlin or the touch screen mode, and you have some normal features as the real-time monitoring, more detailed data such as temperature, time, height and flow, and the LED brightness can be adjusted, but this can also be done automatically by a LED dim idle timer. And you can also change the color of your encoder knob in different kind of colors. And you also have on the backside some ports. One is for the Wi-Fi interface, but you have also some other reserved expansion ports like a power shutdown, filament runout detection, and then you also have 2 ports that users can use for their 3D printer. And then the prices. For the TFT43, $29.99. The TFT50 has a price of $35.68 and the TFT70 version 3 $45.91. I will put all links in the description of this video. And now we continue with the Kickstarter 3D printer, the LOTMAXX SC-10 Shark. LOTMAXX has on Kickstarter a multifunctional 3D printer. This 3D printer will be on Kickstarter until the 9th of July of 2020. The price starts at $199 And if you scroll a little bit further, you will find that the super early bird price is $229 US. But what do you get? Well, for this Kickstarter price, you will get a printer that really looks like the Ena 3 Pro from Reality. But then a little bit different. When you visit the Kickstarter page, you will see a deep purple-blue printer or blue-purple printer. This printer has 4 fans for the hot end. They make sure that the heat dissipation is as optimal as it can be. They would call it AHDS system. You can print at really high temperatures with a high-speed motor. This printer comes in 2 different kind of colors, deep purple and space gray. You can add some add-ons to this 3D printer. One of the add-ons is a auto bed leveling kit. This auto bed leveling kit can be installed next to the nozzle on the carriage. One other add-on for this printer is a bicolor nozzle. It comes with 2 extruders and a hot end for 2 different kind of filaments. And the last add-on what you can add to this 3D printer is a laser engraver, a 1.6 watt laser engraver that can be added on the right side next to the nozzle where you will put your BL touch. So the bed level off and you put the laser engraver on it. Further, this 3D printer has a steel build plate to print on, a filament runout sensor, a dual geared extruder and a TMC2208 stepper drivers. Some other thing you will notice when you are looking to this Kickstarter page, you will find a handheld LCD 3.5-inch touchscreen with a print preview. I didn't mention anything about the building size of this 3D printer, but here it comes. The printing volume of this 3D printer is 235 by 235 by 265 millimeters. This printer is an easy to set up 3D printer within 10 minutes. Even when you do the add-ons, it is within a very little time to set it up. Prices of this 3D printer on Kickstarter: a super early bird price of $229 US, and that is for the deep purple color, and there are 88 pieces left, and an early bird price of $249 US, the space gray, 499 pieces left. If you want to use some add-ons, the auto level kit comes for $20 US, the bicolor is for $30 US, and the laser engraver $80. So for $130 US extra, you can add by one of the 2 printers a very nice upgrade with all possible things you can imagine. Well, link of the Kickstarter campaign I will put in the description of this video. And hey, if you want to see this printer working and a review, then go to the video of the 3D printing nerd. I will put the link in the description as well. Well, to wrap up this video, 3 very new and better screens from BigTreeTech or BQ. Screens with more power and a great add-on or upgrade for your existing mainboard, but also for your screen. And a multifunctional 3D printer on Kickstarter for printing, bicolor printing and or just laser engraving on Kickstarter. If you made it so far in this video, thank you. You are amazing. In the end of this video, there is an end card, and on that end card are some videos that are worth looking at. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to Zachary 3D Prints, and I will see you next time. And hey, let's make some fun with 3D printing. Zachary 3D Prints. Bye bye.